Look! It's morning! Wow, look how bright it is! The East Asian kids gather baskets, water bottles, and snacks. Look at him sniffing the ground! He's always looking for trouble. Come on, let's catch up! Hi, everyone!
Well, hello there, kids!
Good afternoon! Wow, look at all the green! It goes on forever! It's so beautiful here. Look how fast he is! He's like a fluffy cloud. This is gonna be so much fun! Come on, boy! Look out! Here he comes! Wow, he made a huge splash! Look at the fish down there!
Whoa, they're so colorful. Try and hit that one.
Go get the stick, boy! Run! Yay! Good dog! Bring it here! Wow! Look at that one! It's a dragon!
It's flying right over us.
We finally finished it! Great teamwork, everyone! Look, we're almost home! I'm glad we finally made it back!
Welcome home, my loves!
Hi, Mom! Hi, Dad!
We missed you.
Oh, he got me!
He loves bath time now.
Am I doing it right, Mama?
You're doing wonderful, Sweet Pea.
They look perfect for the stew.
Here you go. Careful, it's hot.
He's eating so fast.
Just like you.
Look at him. He thinks it's a game.
It is a game now. Come on, let's finish this.
Today was the best day ever. We found so many secret paths in the woods.
I know. I can't wait to see what we find next time.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful journey through our village. If you like the story, please don't forget to